He ruled the sands, and his spirit still watches over the Nile.
Workers are clearing sand and leveling the ground for the pyramid construction. They coordinate in teams, preparing the site for the first stones. In the Tura limestone quarry, workers use copper chisels and wooden mallets to cut large blocks. Teams lift and workers drag limestone blocks on wooden sleds toward the Nile. Water is poured on sand to reduce friction. Teams coordinate to move the stones efficiently. At the Nile riverbank, workers load large limestone blocks onto flat-bottomed boats. Ropes and wooden ramps,
The boats carry the stones down the Nile.
Workers unload limestone blocks from boats at the base of the pyramid. Using wooden ramps and ropes, they carefully move the stones onto the ground and prepare them for placement.
Workers build long mud brick and limestone ramps along the side of the pyramid. Wooden levers and shovels help shape the...
Teams of workers drag large limestone blocks up the ramps using ropes and sleds. They coordinate their movements to ensure the stones reach the pyramid safely. Workers place limestone blocks carefully onto the pyramid structure, using wooden levers and ramps to position each stone precisely.
After long hours of labor, workers rest in shaded areas near the pyramid base.
The Great Pyramid rises higher as workers place limestone blocks on the upper levels. Teams coordinate carefully to ensure workers carefully position the final limestone block at the pyramid's apex. Every movement is precise, ensuring the block fits perfectly into place.
Pharaoh Khufu observes the completed pyramid from the base, overseeing the finishing touches.
The Great Pyramid stands complete, its smooth limestone surface reflecting the sunlight. Workers finish minor adjustments. With the pyramid complete, the laborers leave the site. The structure remains as a testament to their work and skill, enduring through centuries.